HP Stream 11-inch laptop, a budget-friendly workhorse. Meet the HP Stream 11-inch laptop, your ultimate companion for study, stream, and share on a single charge. Powered by Intel Celeron M4120, it delivers reliable performance for all your daily tasks. With 4GB RAM and 64GB eMMC storage, experience smooth multitasking and ample space for essentials. The 11-inch display offers HD resolution, providing clear visuals for most tasks. While it's not the brightest or most color-accurate panel, it gets the job done. Viewing angles are decent, but there's noticeable glare in bright environments. The audio quality is surprisingly good for a laptop in this price range. The speakers produce clear sound with adequate volume, making it suitable for watching videos or listening to music. Stay productive with Windows 11 and a 12-month subscription to Microsoft 365 Personal included. Battery life is a highlight of the HP Stream 11. With moderate use, you can expect to get through a full day without needing to recharge. This makes it a great option for students or those who are often on the go. Connectivity options are standard, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a few USB ports. The inclusion of a microSD card reader is a nice touch for expanding storage. Its slim, expressive design with a diamond white finish adds a touch of style to your mobile life. Fast Wi-Fi and multiple ports ensure you stay connected and have all the connectivity you need. The HP Stream 11 is an excellent choice for users seeking a budget-friendly laptop for basic computing needs. It offers a good balance of portability, performance, and battery life. While it may not be the most powerful device on the market, it excels at handling everyday tasks efficiently. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable laptop for web browsing, email, and document creation, the HP Stream 11 is definitely worth considering. Rated 4.1 stars. Order today for £159.99.